yesterday was my brother's birthday, so tonight we are all heading for a family meal. There's like 10 of us. There's me, my husband, my daughter, my sister, her partner, my brother, his partner, their son, my mum and dad. Yes, 10. We have just had a Sunday at home and then we're going to get ready to head there. Summer is quite busy in my family for birthdays. So May is my little girl's birthday, June is mine, and then the 24th of July is my sister-in-law's. The 31st of July is my little sister's, the 1st of August is my brother's, and then my mum's is the 13th of August. My wee grand as well is the 10th of August. This is the first one without her, which will be sad. But I am just going to finish getting myself ready. Before we go, I'm just sorting some presents. So that is a card for my brother, and this is actually my sister's birthday present, which I've not gave her yet, so I've made it up like a hamper of all things she'll love. In it I've put one of the hotel style dressing gowns, some gingham print pyjamas, this gorgeous top, I think she'll really love that, I've actually got it myself, one of these wee scrunchies, but I just thought she would like the detailing on that. Also popped a wee face mask in it, and then the Molly Me body cream, because she had been asking for that. She got me it for my birthday as well, and a little homemade card. And as well, I just thought I'd mention how gorgeous are these flowers. I've been got them for our 2nd wedding anniversary. So we are ready to go. This is just the top I'm wearing and some blue jeans. With these jeans and some black heels in this bag. Baby girl is looking beautiful. Her wee pink outfit.
Let's go.
Lily, are you putting your shoes on? Are we going to go in the car? Are we ready to go, baby?
Ta-da! Here you go.
Quickly make the bed. What do you want for breakfast? What do you want? A banana? A banana? I think I can do that. Not Mummy's best effort, but I was doing it quickly. Coming? Let's go. Good morning. This morning is a little bit different because Lily decided she wanted a lie-in this morning, and she is our alarm clock, so we're all a bit thrown off. But that also means that it'll be too early for her to go down for our usual morning nap. So what we decided, I just got me and her ready, we're going to eat breakfast and we're going to head out. It's not the nicest day, but it's quite cosy, so I'm like, we'll just get her paddle suit on and we'll go get exploring. But first, I'm going to make her breakfast. So I think you're just going to have an omelette with your requested banana and your favourite blueberries, if you ate the ones I gave you already. And are we going to go to the park? Into little strips. Just a quick and simple breakfast for her this morning. We've got an omelette, some banana and raspberries and blueberries. Please ignore my hair. I just thought I'm not going to do it today, it's raining and we're just going to the park, but I'm moving around a lot in my sleep and my hair is right crazy in the morning, and Lily's is always the same. Ready? Ready? Get breakfast? Oh my goodness! How are you so messy already? Right down. Good girl. Put these up. Okay, you've got your omelette, some banana, raspberries, blueberries, and water. Ta. You say thank you for breakfast. We do cheers. 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 You want to drink out Mummy's? Mummy's got water. Good girl. And Lily's got water. Did you take a bit much? You going to have some of your omelette? Mummy's just quickly putting a washing on. My foot is feeling very autumnal. I've got my welly boots on. You don't have your welly boots on because yours don't stay on your feet. So they don't. Ready? Where are we going? Are we going in the car? Yes, I need my car keys. Well done. You hold them for me. Let's go! Home now. Ignore the hair, it's even worse now, but we had a lot of fun. It was nice. Even though it was raining, we still had a great time. So and she is now napping. I made some homemade bread. Now I am nowhere near a pro yet. I'm really wanting to try and learn how to make really good homemade bread, but me, Lily, George, that's my husband, and my dad, I think that's the one that's tried it, have all said stuff I've made is really nice. Oh, my sister-in-law as well, Emma, she said that the one I made was really nice. I'm just going to keep practicing, and I thought, what better when it's raining and kind of gloomy outside than soup. Homemade bread, homemade soup, so cosy. So I've just prepped everything. I'm going to do my soup in the slow cooker. Made a mistake, so I popped the dishwasher on, that's what you can hear, and I didn't realise that the peeler was still in there, so I had to do all that. How terrible. I had to peel all that with a knife. Wouldn't recommend, but it's done. So I'm going to get this in the slow cooker and get it cooking. Nearly afternoon. It's 11:30, I think. We had a really busy morning. Lily slept in again. I think she's definitely wanting to transition to one nap. With everything, to be honest, I feel I just go with the flow with what she wants. She had her lie-in, so she got up at 20 to 7:45, and we had the Hales visitor in at 10. So it was kind of a busy morning. That's why I'm only just getting on to film anything. I don't know everybody feels this way, but she honestly makes me so proud that I can't even put it into words. I just feel she's absolutely thriving. She's such a lovely wee girl, and yeah, that was really positive. So that's done, and she's now away down for a nap. I'm gonna have a wee cup of tea. I'm gonna just sit for 5, finish this. I've got lots of bananas in, so I'm thinking I maybe do banana bread, and then I might make her some mini banana loaves. It's always so awkward, I feel like, because I'm sitting here talking to this. I'll get used to it. I'm only just starting this. I'm sure soon I'll not care. But yeah, I'm going to do some of that today. Most of her bacon I use bananas, and I've got loads to use up, so I'll crack on with that. I'm going to finish my tea and then I'll go in and crack on.